Hey everyone, I hope you're ready for our bar crawl. Before we get started, let's go over some of the rules of the bar crawl. Our number one priority is safety. We know everyone wants to win and have a good time. But remember, the Oregon District is a bustling part of our city. Please do not run, dart in and out of locations, break any laws, or be intrusive to anybody else's experience. We have a great working relationship with the bars in the Oregon District, and by showing respect to their area, we can keep having fun events for years to come. We have a great event in store for you. We are about to send you on a 2-hour deep dive into the people, culture, and decorations of the Oregon District. Some of the questions will be obvious, and some are very cryptic. Before we get to all that, we need to take a look at the software you will be using to help guide you through today's event. If you have registered within the last 24 hours, you should have received an email from us with a link to the app. The app will be where all of today's tasks are located. So let's take a look at the app. If you have not received a link to the app, it can be downloaded through the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Just search Goose Chase. Let's get into the app. When you pull up the app screen, you will get an option to play as a guest or create an account. This is your personal choice. If you'd like to be able to keep a recording of today, we recommend creating an account. Though, join as a guest will work just fine. After you create an account, you'll be given the option to join a game. At this time, enter the game code provided during check-in. If everything works, it should come up with a page that says Game Details. Click on the blue button, select a team, and join the game. Find your team name and enter your team's password provided during check-in. Until the game starts, you will see a screen like this that says Waiting to Start. At this point, you are all ready to go, and your phone will notify you when the game starts. Let's take a second to let me start the example game so we can see more of how it works. So now that we are in the app, our example game is running. Let's check out the tabs. We are going to start on the left-hand side and work our way across. The first tab is Tasks. We will come back to this as it is the main tab you will use in today's event. Swipe right, you will find the feed activity. This location, you will be able to see some team photos that they are submitting. You will not be able to see all the other team's photos, as that will give away some of the tasks. Next tab is the score. You'll be able to see up to 3 other teams' scores in this tab. If there are more than 3 teams playing, you will not be able to see their scores. The app only allows divisions of 3 to be used. The next tab over is the Notifications tab. This will show you all messages from the organizer and if your submission was accepted. If the submission was deleted for being incorrect, the reason will be shown here, and sometimes the organizer will give you a hint. The last box is your vital signs, just how your team is doing. If you need to message the host, the best way to contact them will be through text message. The number to text is found in your check-in packet. Let's head back to the far left tab. This is where you will be for the majority of your game. As you can see, there are a few different types of questions. We have a GPS, photo, and text questions. We're going to go quickly through how to use all 3 of them. Let's start with the GPS question. So let's find a check-in to the Bat Cave. Click on Get Question and it pulls up the screen. As long as your GPS on your phone is turned on, you can click Acquire GPS Position, confirm location, then submit evidence. Next one is Take a Photo. When you click on that question, the option is to snap evidence comes up. You can either take a photo or video using this screen. Just take a photo of the task and submit the evidence. The submission will go to the organizer and they will let you know if the answer is correct. If the answer is incorrect, the submission will be deleted. Each player will receive a notification that it has been deleted and the task will reappear in the remaining tasks. The last type of task is a text task. Open the task and click on Enter Answer. Type in the answer and click Submit. These tasks are not case sensitive, but they are auto-scored and must be spelled correctly or it will be denied. The questions that are inside established notes will have the location of the question. Some questions will not have a location. It is important to try to stick to the schedule even if you missed a question. The schedule has been designed to keep the teams apart to minimize cheating as well as not to overload one location at a time. If your time is up and you have not completed a task, that task needs to stay uncompleted. If you have solved all the puzzles in that location, enjoy your drink in the company of your team until the time is up. Don't forget, this is a bar crawl. Please support these local establishments by purchasing drinks and items during your crawl. Always remember to drink responsibly and tip your bartender. Their continued support gives us the ability to have this event today. We hope you have an awesome time during the scavenger hunt, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Have fun, be safe, and drink responsibly.